Hi everyone, I'm Alan and welcome back to Healthy Kitchen 101. Continuing our electric kettle series today, we're going to be unboxing one of our most expensive units so far, the Cuisinart PerfecTemp Cordless Programmable Kettle. Now, let's take a closer look. Okay, so I can see here are some specifications, weight, dimensions, but no capacity, no power output. So let's open it up and see. Okay, so I'm seeing inside is another box. So I'm just gonna flip this over. Okay, let's take a quick look. So it says right here, perfect temperatures, 6 presets, 1.7 liters of capacity. Perfect memory. I don't know what that is yet, but we'll see. Perfect easy. That as well. Okay. Some more information over here. Removable filter. Stainless steel finish. One touch pop-up lid. Keep warm. Water level markings. Auto shut off. Blow dry protection. 360 swivel base. All that good stuff. Now, let's open it up. Okay. Here's the instruction manual. Some cardboard pads. And here it is, our kettle. Some more pads. And this is our base in another cardboard pad. Okay, now let's take a closer look at our base. Okay, as you can see, the base is made of plastic, not too light, not too heavy. The cord has a lock. Open it, and the cord is about 30 inches long, which should be plenty enough for household use. Some copper. And here's our kettle. Okay, looks like I might have to cut this open. Oh no, I do not. Okay, here we go. Okay, liking the appearance. So here's our kettle. Feels pretty good in the hand. Not as heavy as I thought, even though, you know, this is completely stainless steel. Okay, let's open it. One touch, pop up. As you can see, the inner lid is made of plastic. Some of you might not like that, but I think it should be fine. The inside is stainless steel. The removable mesh filter is part plastic. You can see the heating element over here. I want to remove this for sure. As you can see, the controls are on the handle. 6 presets. Start, keep warm. The water level markings are on the back of the handle, which is a little bit weird, but I think it's okay. The bottom is plastic, like many others. Now let's try assembling the kettle onto the base. Oh, it fits perfectly. Turns smoothly. Quite sturdy, not too wobbly. Now let's try pouring in some water and see how well it works. Okay, so the blue LED lights up right away, even before the kettle is running. I'm gonna pour in 1 liter of water. Okay, so the opening is quite narrow, and the mesh filter can even get in the way of your getting water, so be careful about that. Okay, for the sake of first testing, I'm just gonna bring it to a straight up boil. Okay, so when the kettle is running, there will be another blue LED illuminating under the control panel. Now while we're waiting for the water to boil, let's take a look at the instruction manual, shall we? Very carefully packaged. Okay, register your product for warranty. Okay, so the instruction comes in English and Spanish. We have important safeguards, how to unpack, some brief history and benefits of tea, features, before first use, how to use, clean and care, troubleshooting, or even some recipes for some drinks, which is quite interesting, I might say. Warranty is 3-year limited. Okay, quite detailed, I like it. Okay, so within the time we taken a look at the instruction manual, the kettle has come to a rolling simmer. Now let's wait to see when will it come to a rolling boil and turn off. Okay, so the kettle has come to a rolling boil. Let's see when will it turn off. Okay, it's quite fast. 4 minutes and 38 seconds. Okay. As you can see, the lid is tightly sealed. No vapor is coming out from around the lid, only from the spout. Actually, the lid is still cool to the touch as well, but not the spout, nor the carafe. Let's open it up. Okay, so even though this is the first boil, I'm not noticing any odd odor. No plastic smell, no metallic smell, which is a very good sign. Now let's try pouring to see how the stream goes. Okay, still feels very good in the hand. Good angle. The spout is a little large of an angle in my opinion, but the stream is steady, not too fast, not too slow. But I do have to tilt quite a bit to get the last of the water out of the kettle. Good thing is no water is coming out from the lid. Great. there you have it, the unboxing of the Cuisinart Programmable Cordless Kettle. First impression, very solid build, high quality material, but the control is not the most intuitive. This kettle will automatically switch to keep warm for 30 minutes after you finish boiling. So in the meantime, if you pour out all the water, the kettle will continue running and then the boil dry protection alarm will sound, which can be a bit of an inconvenience. But worries not. We will dive into deep details about this kettle, including all the presets, their boiling time and their temperature precision in our in-depth review video in the near future. So stay tuned and subscribe to our channel to make sure you don't miss the video when it comes out. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in our next video. Bye!